Hey, are you using HubSpot? If yes, then now you can send document for signature and move deal stages automatically with BoloSign. In this video, I will show you how to connect BoloSign to HubSpot, send a PDF, and set up the deal stage automation step by step. To begin with, we'll go to the settings, click on integration. From here, we will connect the HubSpot. We'll select the account and connect the app. As you can see, it is connected. Now we will go to the PDF templates and create a new template. We will add the document on which we want the signature and we want to send it to the client. Add the role and click on confirm. As you can see, the document is uploaded successfully. Now we will add the fields by just dragging and dropping to their respective places. If we want to add HubSpot variable, we will click here, click on view related variables. Under the HubSpot, we'll select the we'll select the variables. Now once everything is done, we will set up the automation. Just again by clicking on HubSpot, we are going to set the rules. Toggle this on. Under this, we are going to set two automation, first on the send and second on the complete. The automation will be change in the deal stage. We'll select the pipeline. So when we send the document, I want its stage to change to contract sent. Second, when it is completed, I want its stage change to closed won. Once it is done, we'll click on save. Automation added successfully. Everything is set. We'll click on save. Here we will add the email address whom we want to send the contract. Now under HubSpot integration, you can see the select deal option. We'll click and select the deal. Click on link. Select. As you can see, the data has been fetched automatically from the HubSpot. Now, before sending this document, I'll just show you how it is looking in the HubSpot right now. So this is under the stage of appointment scheduled. Here you can see. Now we are going to just send via email. As you can see, it is successfully sent. We will see in HubSpot if there is any change in the stage or not. As you can see, the stage has been changed to contract sent. The deal has shifted to contract sent from a. We'll add the details which were required. We'll add the signature as it was required. And here the data has been fetched already from the HubSpot. We'll click on finish. Once this is done, we will check the stage automation again. And here you can see Emily has been shifted from contract sent to closed won, which was our automation. And that's how you use BoloSign with HubSpot to automate your document flow and deal tracking. Want to explore more smart workflows? Start automating today with BoloSign. Thanks for watching.